days, entire districts were cut off. No power, no clean water, no way to communicate with the outside world. The silence that followed was deafening, and beneath that silence lay heartbreak. One of the most heartbreaking scenes was the flooding of the Rongjiang Village Super League football stadium, a symbol of local pride and revival. Once just a grassroots community tournament, it had recently gained national fame, turning Rongjiang into a rising tourist hub. But even that symbol of hope was drowned, submerged under 7 meters of water. According to reports, several upstream reservoirs had released large volumes of water in the days leading up to the disaster, overwhelming rivers and putting enormous pressure on towns below. Emergency notices were issued, but for many, the help came too late. The government eventually called for mass evacuations. Over 400,000. In the end, as the waters receded, what was left was not just destruction, but despair. Rongjiang stands not just as a victim of a flood, but as a symbol of something deeper. A community crushed between nature's wrath and human failure. The skies have cleared, but experts of places that no longer exist. One woman named Mei Lin, a retired school teacher, bedroom home. Updates, missing persons reports. Every crackle of the signal carried hope. Some cried when a loved one's name was read from a list of the rescued. Others simply waited. Grief hung heavy, unspoken but shared. Children played quietly with makeshift toys, mud bricks, plastic bottles, broken branches, while parents sorted through rubble.